Hey everyone, I'm Jeff with the Villages Golf Cars, and today we're giving you a closer look at our Eastport Service Center, Gary's Garage. For our customers in the area wanting to know where you go when it's time to service your golf car, well, let's show you. Kyle, appreciate you helping us out today.
Yeah, of course, it's my pleasure.
Would you mind telling everyone just a little bit about yourself? You're a Florida native, right?
Yeah, so born and raised right here in Bellevue. After that, I went and joined the Marine Corps, did 6 years in that. In early 2022, I made my way to the Village Golf Cars. Shortly after that, worked my way up, became the service lead, and at this point, I'm now the service lead here at the Village Golf Cars of Eastport.
Awesome. And we have a lot of ex-military here in the Villages. Would you mind saying what you did in the military?
So I was an amphibious assault vehicle repair tech. So I did diesel mechanics on the AAVs for the Marine Corps.
All right, so we've checked in. What's next?
So it's very simple. You'll come in here. We'll have some very lovely expediters here to check you in. They're gonna come and confirm any of your work that you have scheduled for that day. After that, they'll get a couple signatures. They'll go through your car. They'll do a brief inspection of it and answer any questions that you may have at that time.
Okay, I'm checked in. Everything on my work order looks perfect. What's our next step here?
So at that point, our expediters will walk you right out front to our loaner line, where you're more than happy to take one of our loaners for as long as we have one of your cars.
So that's one of the big things about the Villages Golf Cars is we have many loaners in stock for service, so you never have to stop driving the lifestyle. You could drop off in the morning, take the loaner. Even during COVID, we had parts on back order for months, 6 months at a time. Our customers were always with a golf car for free. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so here at Eastport, you have a full team of technicians, parts team,
Yep.
customer service representatives, expediters, and you handle everything from accessory add-ons, warranty repairs. Could you do a full engine rebuild if someone needed that?
So we can accommodate any type of engine rebuilds, transaxle rebuilds, accessories, any type of upgrades, even something as minor as you have an appointment just for a snap on your enclosure.
A frequently asked question is, do I need an appointment?
So the best answer is yes, and what we mean by that is so we can better accommodate you guys and we can have the parts for your car readily available that day.
And to make an appointment, we can do that right here at our service desk at Eastport, over the phone, or even better yet, on our website. Just navigate over to the service tab, click on the service garage you're looking to get set up, and fill out all the appropriate info for your golf car and what you're looking to get done. So most of our clientele is retired here and they're living the lifestyle here in the Villages, but with how close we are to Middleton, some of the people coming through might work Monday through Friday during our service hours. So what can they do to get their golf car here?
So they are definitely more than happy to drop their car off early, drop it off over the weekend with our sales staff, who is also able to provide you with a loaner, get your car signed in for us, and then as soon as we come in that next morning, we can work on your car.
And do we have posted times of how long each service takes?
So they're not exactly posted anywhere, but if you do come in for your appointments, anything like that, walk in, a snap can take anywhere from a couple minutes, while a transaxle rebuild can be anywhere up to 3 hours. So it kind of does vary depending on what you're here for.
So the main goal is, if you bring your golf car in, we're gonna get it back to you the same day, and if we can't, we'll be direct and upfront and say this could be something that leads into another day.
Correct. So if anything that during the service, something pops out that's unexpected, we give you a call, let you know, and try to just give you a general time frame that we can complete the work in.
And if you choose to wait on your golf car instead of taking one of our loaners, you can come right through these double doors, right into our Eastport showroom. Ron, good to see you. Here's another face you will probably see here at our Eastport location.
Yeah, my name is Ron Morse. I'm the manager of the Eastport location. My wife and I are both Villagers, and I've been with the Villages Golf Cars since 2020, and I'll be happy to serve you when you come in.
And we have Yamaha, EasyGo, Star EV here in the showroom. What else can people look at when they're here for service?
Well, everything you just said, we've got all those cars. We keep about 70 to 75 displays at all times right here. So as you're getting service, you can come in and shop. You can look at our accessory wall or even get a cup of coffee in our lounge.
That is our quick look of where to go and what to expect at the service center here at Eastport. Our goal is to keep you on the road and enjoying the Villages lifestyle. I'm Jeff with the Villages Golf Cars, and I'll catch you on the next one.